Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassandra. Today I'm going to be showing you 20 different nail polishes from 6 different brands that I bought at my local Dollar Tree here in Toronto. Each nail polish only costs $1.25. Crazy, I know. I had to get my hands on them. So these are the brands: Kozmic Colours, Billie Cosmetics, LA Colors, Sephora by OPI, Tivoli, and Sassy and Chic. So I started off with the Cosmic Colors. For some reason these don't have a name, I'm not too sure why, so I'm just going to call them Hot Pink, Sparkly Orange, Cute Pink, and somewhat mint-ish. Let's call it that. Overall, I really did like these colors. I did find the orange to be a little sheer, so I guess you could probably wear it over another bold orange. I would probably do. But the rest of them went on pretty opaque. I did really like this one. Oh, and I totally forgot. So the two colors I have on my hands right now, the pink and the blue, I purchased from iGel, and I actually made a review about that as well. And you can catch that in the description below. So this is what they look like when they're dry. They came out really nice. They're pretty shiny. This is without the top coat, and they look really good. Next is the Billie Cosmetics, and this is a real throwback. I remember my mom used to have these polishes way back in the days. So these ones actually have names, luckily. The red is called Bordeaux, the white, French Manicure. The yellow, for some reason, is called Orange, and it is the most yellow nail polish in life. The purple is called Just Wow, which I find pretty appropriate, and the pink is called Pink Pansy. Overall, I really do like the nail polishes from Billie Cosmetics. The application is really good, and they do have a wide variety of colors to choose from. So with the Pink Pansy, it does state that it is a gel-like, so I guess it's supposed to give that effect that it is a little bit shinier than the rest. I don't know if I really seen a difference, to be honest, but the color was really nice though. So this is what they look like when they're semi-dry. I don't really see the difference with the gel, but the colors did come out really nicely though. So here are the LA Colors. I actually really like this nail polish brand. I've been using it for maybe a few months now. I do find that you can find it in quite some places though, in Stitches and Urban Planet. Luckily now Dollar Tree has them because they're a lot cheaper. Overall, I really did like these colors. They're very pastel-ish, if that's a word. I would probably put another coat on these though, just to make it a little bit more opaque, but I did really like it. Alright, so scratch what I said about the second coat. These are perfect. I love these. So these four I couldn't wait to try. They're the Sephora by OPI. So the two on the right do say that they are made for top coat, but overall I guess you could just use it by itself. So the silver one is Meet Me at the Disco, and the more goldish one, this one here, is Sparktacular Top Coat. Very pretty colors. I could definitely see myself wearing this for like New Year's or something. So the other two went on really nicely as well. I really did like them. The orange one is Paisley Attention to Me. Interesting. And the gold is called Already Famous. Again, another appropriate name. Dollar Tree did have a couple more of these colors, but honestly, I was trying to limit myself, but they were gorgeous. So if you ever go to Dollar Tree, trust me, buy them. You need to. So this is what they look like when they're dry. They went on gorgeous. I really like these colors. So here are the Tivoli colors, or Tivoli, not too sure. These ones don't actually have a name, so I'm just gonna name them Lilac, Coffee Cream, Purple, and Peach. I really do love these colors. They went on like butter, like amazing. I love them so much. The application was super smooth. The brush is perfect. Very, very lovely. I would probably say my favorite is somewhere between the coffee cream and the peach. I could just picture myself wearing a really long stiletto peach in that in the summer. Oh, it would look gorgeous. So this is what they look like when they are semi-dry, and oh, I love these. They're gorgeous. Amazing. Definitely worth the dollars. So last but not least, the Sassy Chic. This one also does not have a name, so I'm going to just call it pale green, and I think it is gorgeous. The brush is perfect. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is what all 20 of the colors look like when they're completely dry, and overall I think they look so gorgeous. Dollar Tree is definitely going to be my new spot to hit up for nail polishes. My favorite colors out of these is definitely the peach and the green. Do you have a favorite color? Let me know in the comments below. Bye!